So we are in Mostaza.
Mostaza.
Where is a copy of McDonald's.
The knockoff McDonald's.
But this one is a nice copy.
Yeah.
Because there is another one
with a cucarachas. Yeah. I'm gonna get the old bacon and cheddar papas and a mega cuarto, but double. Doble.
Doble cuarto?
Yeah.
And what else?
The cheddar and bacon papas. Right there. Cheddar and bacon.
Mega premium?
No, you see the french fries, the papas?
Ah, papas. Okay, papas. Okay.
Yeah, what are you getting? You're getting chicken nuggets?
Stellar.
Yeah, that's crazy, huh?
You want it now?
No. I just want a Coca-Cola.
Where is this guy? He's amazing.
He's huge, yeah? He's Croatian, not Argentina.
I will get a salad.
Yeah, salad?
Yeah. Hola, ¿cómo te va? Dame un mega doble cuarto y las papas bacon y cheddar. What size?
Just what's the size that's coming? Just regular?
¿Cómo es el tamaño regular? El común.
I'll get grande.
Grande. You want it with Coke or with beer?
Yeah, Coke.
Coke? Okay.
No beer.
Y una ensalada. La César. Sí. Coke Zero?
Yeah, Coke Zero.
¿Coca cero de más? Sí.
Coke Zero.
Okay. So we have almost 1,400. That is the hamburger.
Yeah.
Because you make it bigger.
Yeah.
And because you add bacon and cheddar to the potatoes.
That's why. So let's see how good this is, this knockoff McDonald's. So far it's the most expensive one, like Mickey just said. But let's see if it takes Ronald McDonald's shoes home after he beats the shit out of them. Woo. There's the enemy, McDonald's. The guy that we gotta beat up. Damn you, McDonald's. There's Mickey with her new pants on. Ooh. Ooh. Ready to have a baby in them. And there's some lomitos. Lomitos, pizza, hamburguesa, papa fritas. This is what the burgers and fries look like. Look at those fries, they look delicious. And here's the double quarter pounder version of a mostaza. And there's her chicken Caesar salad. Are you gonna try everything?
Like always.
You always, here. You,
no, me first,
yeah.
You first.
Here, I'll try it first. Let's get into this. I think it's better than McDonald's.
It's better than McDonald's? Really?
It's barbecued.
It's similar
cooked.
like the
Yeah, it's cooked.
Burger King?
Yeah, it's not microwave. But let's try this. Now for these delicious fries.
With bacon and cheese.
Real bacon. This is bacon.
Your new favorite place? Really? That's amazing.
It's way better than Mostaza. I mean McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Here, let's see. What do you think? Here, try the burger. Look at this big boy.
Oh, there isn't tomatoes.
Oh.
So it's good.
No tomatoes.
Fuck you, tomatoes. Oh, maybe.
What do you think? Not bad, huh? The fries are a little cold, but they're okay. Right? A little cold, huh? But they're good.
It tastes good.
Could be a little thumbs up for that, eh? What do you say? Give us a thumbs up. Bango. And we're gonna kill the rest of this burger and this salad. The salad's a salad where I'm from. Yeah, we're gonna kill the rest of this. And here's where we get to sit. And I guess this is a pay in advance kind of system here. And yeah, we'll get back to you. And I think we're giving this one a closer to a 10 out of 10 than any of the other fast foods.
Wow.
Mostaza, thumbs up, baby. Mostachys, the home of the Whopper. The Mostachy Whopper. Yeah.
Sí, la americana vamos a llevar.
Ah, bueno, si no tienen el menú del día, que es lasaña con boloñesa y salsa blanca.
No, queríamos la hamburguesa. ¿Se puede comer acá?
Adentro tenemos una demora, pero pueden sentarse afuera si ustedes quieren.
Bueno.
No hay problema en eso.
So we have to wait?
Sí. There's no space inside.
Inside, no space inside.
No, so probably
we have to go.
Take away.
That's okay, yeah, we can go. We can go. What? Oh, we gotta use this thing?
Yeah, but I don't know. Ah, like this.
Da 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 da. This is Mostachys, the home of the cockroach burger. And you say this place is no good? And she's not trying it because she doesn't trust it at all.
It's packed, huh?
But it's the Argentine McDonald's here. And everybody's staring. It feels like. Look at this. Look what you can get though. It's cool as hell. Yeah. 65. So you're gonna. How much? How much was it?
How much? 500.
500 pesos. Cheapest so far. And it's not the best looking. It's hot in here. It's filled with coronavirus. You ready? We have to wait outside?
Yeah, we can wait.
We're gonna eat outside of Mostachys, home of what's their famous thing here?
Hola, buen día.
Disculpa, no te podemos ayudar.
Pero un minuto nada más que saco de tu tiempo. Gracias por invitarme. Mi nombre es Eduardo. No sé si conoces. Yo soy de la capital.
Look at, they got lasagna here, and they got salsa mix, and they got some ice cream here, ice cream cones, and some Milanese, some pizza. They got a bit of everything here, even homeless guy begging. They got everything. It's perfect. And we're sitting here right on San Juan Boulevard. See, you can see the sign there, San Juan. What are you doing? You giving him some change? Just give him a 100. Well, perfecto. So I got the Americana, the wee little fries, the soft drink without Kraken's up on the table. Of course he is, because we just left him for a couple hours, so now he needs to be pet and he needs some attention. All right?
Yes.
And we got it from Mostachys, and that's the mustache burgers. And she's eating lovely Beto's lomitos, and they're beautiful, huh? They're the best.
Yes, I like it.
Yes. And Craig is right here. And here, let me try this Mostachys, the knockoff McDonald's. This is the knockoff McDonald's. She doesn't like it because she thinks it's very dirty there, but I'm willing to give it a go. Craquinha. Oh, Kraken moved. It's very weird.
I told you.
It's not burger. It's
Yeah.
dip. Oh.
What is? What happened?
It's like very salty. I've never had this much salt on a meat.
Okay, it was very cheap, but
Very cheap, but cheap and shitty at the same time. Mostachys is the worst fast food place. 100%. I'll give it 100% rating that it's the worst one easily. Yeah, you told me. That's why she opted not to get anything. Let's see if the Coke is Coke. It's good. Pop is pop. And the fries are fries. You want to try the burger?
No. What is inside of the burger?
Let's see what's inside this thing. Onions, cheese, meat, and some brown sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
I think so, huh? But it's big.
Yeah, it's big. It's big, but it...
Lot of bread, I think, huh?
Yeah, a lot of bread.
Only one hamburger.
Yeah, only one hamburger. But it feels like the meat's weird tasting, that's all. But I'll probably kill it because I'm hungry.
Of course.
Thanks for watching a knockoff McDonald's video. If you guys come to Argentina, try this out and you'll see how good it is. It's no double Whopper, no McChicken, but hey, it gets the job done if you're hungry and if you don't have money. So, adios amigos, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Adios amigos. Subscribe and like and what? Say that.
Subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell for notifications so you can be the first to watch and first to comment on the videos. Woo, because we're always giving away prizes now. It's going to be a regular thing, so more prizes to come for everybody. Thank you.
This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the night.